The SIMpull CoilPAK is a staple in Southwire's simple circuit management system, eliminating the need for handling bulky spools and all of the setup and energy that go along with them. The SIMpull CoilPAK wire payoff helps increase both safety and productivity by reducing the physical effort associated with material handling, pulling wire out of the package, and pulling wire through conduit. The SIMpull CoilPAK wire payoff includes a host of features that help to increase productivity. SIMpull CoilPaks utilize Southwire's SIMpull no-lube technology, reducing pulling tension and eliminating the need for pulling lubricant. The innovative package design fully encases the wire for protection, utilizes a built-in handle for easier carrying around the job site, and features a built-in payoff system that allows for payoff directly from the package without the need for additional equipment or excessive setup. With the CoilPAK, the package remains stationary, so you only pull the weight of the wire from the package and eliminate all the extra energy required to pull wire off a spool. CoilPaks are available in a wide variety of configurations to fit every job site need, including multiple sizes, color configurations, conductor counts, and package lengths. Save time and work smarter with our wide availability of multi-conductor CoilPaks. Multi-conductor CoilPaks are available in 2-wire, 3-wire, and new for 2020, 4-wire color configurations. Multi-wire options with stripe neutrals reduce material handling and setup even further, resulting in better efficiency, a smaller job site footprint, and a cleaner install. Our new 4-wire CoilPaks bring a greater degree of versatility to the CoilPAK lineup, ideal for service contractors and motor lead applications. The CoilPAK is the industry's most versatile branch circuit solution product and one of the pillars of Southwire's simple circuit management system. The simple circuit management system consists of a variety of time and energy-saving solutions that streamline branch circuit installations. The CoilPAK alone is a revolutionary product that brings a wealth of benefits to your job site, but combining with our wire barrels, carts, and other contractor equipment as part of the simple circuit management system creates an elite solution that cannot be replicated. To see it for yourself and learn more, visit Southwire.com.